invoke the presence of the Almighty, without whose guidance this program would have been in just black and white. So now start with the pediatrician prayer Tamil, followed by English. குழந்தை மருத்துவனின் இறைஞ்சுதல். எங்களுக்கு முழுமையான குணமளிக்கும் திறனை தாரும். நோயரின் துன்பம் தீர்க்கும் திறன் நமக்கு வழங்கப்பட்டது எப்படிப்பட்ட சிறப்புரிமை என்பதை பணிவுடன் நாம் உணர்வோமாக. எல்லா குழந்தைகளுக்கும் அவர்தன் குடும்பத்தினருக்கும் அவர்களின் சமுதாய படிநிலை மற்றும் சாதி மத பிரிவுகளை பாராமல் நலம், கற்றல், ஈகை, அன்பு, அமைதி ஆகியவற்றின் தூதுவர்களாக என்றும் இருப்போமாக. நம்மால் முடிந்தவற்றை மாற்றவும், நல்லவற்றை உள்வாங்கவும், மாற்ற முடியாதனவற்றை காரணத்துடன் ஏற்றுக்கொள்ளவும் போதுமான மெய்யறிவும் புரிதலும் எங்களுக்கு வழங்குக. உங்களது வாழ்த்துக்களையும் அருளையும் கருணையும் எல்லா சூழல்களிலும் நேரங்களிலும் அனைத்து மக்களிடையே கொடுத்து அருளுங்கள். Next in English, pediatrician prayer. Grant us the quality of holistic healing. May we humbly realize how privileged we are in being bestowed with the ability to alleviate suffering. May we be emissaries of health, learning, charity, love and peace to all children and their families, irrespective of status and greed. Give us the wisdom and understanding to change the things we can, retain the good and accept within reason the things we cannot change. Grant us your blessings, grace and mercy in all situations, at all times and amidst all people. Thank you. Now I start with welcome speech and good afternoon to one and all. On behalf of IAP, TNSC, IAP, Viluppuram, Pondicherry and Kadalur branches, I welcome one and all to this Puduvai Telepedicon 2020. If your action inspire others to dream more, learn more and become more, you are a leader. At this juncture, I would like to attribute to this proverb to our chief guests. First, I would like to welcome our dignitaries and our dynamic Central IAP President, and I can proudly tell the father of the IAP webinars, Dr. Bagul Parikh. I welcome you, sir. Next, I welcome our dynamic CIP Vice President, Dr. T.M. Ananda Kesavan. I welcome you, sir. I welcome our young and energetic CIP Secretary General, Dr. G.V. Basavaraja. I welcome you, sir. I welcome our IAP TNSC President, Dr. Aram Sendil. He is very dynamic and he is in COVID time now. He is conducting Tamil Nadu Father of webinars. And I welcome Dr. Ismail, IAP TNSC President elect 2021. And IAP TNSC President 2019, Dr. Swamsagar, and IAP TNSC Secretary, Dr. Suresh Balan, Joint Secretary, Dr. Tirumurugan, and I welcome Dr. Bhaskaran, President IAP Viluppuram Pondicherry, Dr. Arul Kumaran, Secretary IAP Viluppuram Pondicherry, Dr. Raja Vinayagam, Treasurer IAP Viluppuram Pondicherry, Dr. Dhanavel, President IAP Kadalur, Dr. Chidambar Nathan, Secretary IAP Kadalur, Dr. Praveen Kumar, Treasurer IAP Kadalur. I would like to invite our central and state EP and OP members, and I invite our esteemed faculties, senior pediatricians and delegates. I welcome one and all. Past 8 months, we have conducted various programs like central and state IAP programs. So we have conducted almost 100 programs. I can't tell because the allotted time is short. But CME on asthma and perinatology and autism and COVID awareness programs and anemia detection awareness programs. And breastfeeding week celebration, we have grandly celebrated with the 2 neonatal update part 1, part 2, and with the webinars. 1 week we have conducted. and 2 ICT programs, that's intensive clinical training programs, one at Chennai and another one is in Madurai. And our president we started IAP and with the DIEP 8 webinars he has strongly has conducted, and it's well appreciated, and it more than 500 maximum 500 delegates attended the program. And so, and because of central IAP and state IAP programs, we are ongoing programs also we are having, and because of IAP TNSC, and once again I welcome one and all for this wonderful event. And next I welcome our President Dr. R.M. Sendil to deliver presidential address.
அகர முதல எழுத்தெல்லாம் ஆதி பகவன் முதற்றே உலகு வாழிய செந்தமிழ் வாழ்க நற்றமிழர் வாழிய இந்திய திருநாடு. Today is the 74th Independence Day of our motherland. So I wish you all a happy Independence Day through this Zoom Puduvai Telepedicon 2020. On this occasion, we have got excellent dignitaries of the CIAP. Dr. Bakul Jayant Parikh, the CIAP president, who has been the forerunner and who has been front. Actually, he was the one who devised this DIAP program, and he has definitely contributed to IAP in a grand manner, and taking all the TOTs, all the workshops and all the things through the, and he is definitely a leader par excellence. So Dr. Bakul and our Vice President, Dr. Ananda Kesavan from Kerala, South Zone President, and he is being next, he's in the line, and he's going to conduct the Pedi week next week. So, and our dynamic Dr. Basavaraj, I don't know how he finds time, and he's so cheerful, and I think both work in tandem, like Dr. Bakul and Dr. Basavaraj, they are called Bakul Raj. So both are doing a wonderful job. I really sincerely I thank them for giving us so many opportunities to conduct programs for our branches. And in this occasion, I request that please give us some more programs for the Awesome Aya program, Smart Clinic, Fever and Wheeze modules. I request some more programs for Tamil Nadu on this occasion. So, and of course, my team of office bearers, Dr. Somasekhar, the past president, Dr. Ismail, the incoming president, our past president, Dr. Thirumalai Kolandu, our treasurer, Dr. Rajendran, joint secretary, Dr. Thirumurugan, of course, our professor and mentor, Dr. Professor Srinivasan, who is here, and the scientific team who has made this Puduvai Telepedicon. It should have been a bonanza in Puducherry, in the beaches today, or in Jipmer auditorium today, but it has been in the webinar. Anyhow, they have made a wonderful platform. I mean, they didn't give us any, say like, they have given us an alternative in the form of this webinar, and I appreciate Dr. Palniraman and Dr. Thirumurugan, who have done a wonderful job. I think the speakers will deliver their mettle, and I also welcome the speakers of today who will start the program, Dr. Ashwath and Dr. Professor Ramachandran. So with these words, the CIAP is leading, and Tamil Nadu state chapter is following its footsteps in conducting so many programs across this year. And so we'll do a few more programs in the coming months also. So because of this COVID-19 status, it has been a different situation altogether. But I think I really salute on this Independence Day our brethren, our doctors, our fellow doctors of all the specialties who are working tirelessly to combat the disease and making India proud. And I feel they are all unsung heroes of the nation. and they are really doing a wonderful job. I salute all of them, and of course, especially my pediatric colleagues who are doing an excellent job. I mean, they have withered all the obstacles on their way, and still now, Chennai trying to come down in COVID status, but other districts are on the way to the peak. And I see that many of our colleagues are also getting the illness, and I advise them and I wish them to stay strong, be hopeful. You will all tide over the storm. This will really bring back, we will all bounce back. So I request all our IAPNs of Tamil Nadu, stay strong, take the disease on its, hold it straight, face it forefront, take all precautions, be cool, follow the protocols, and I request every one of you to be cautious and safe. So we have got to have a release of a book later. Dr. Thirumalai Kolandu, our president, past president, has been doing a wonderful job in financial outcomes and finance help for our doctors. Recently, he released a book in by our central president, Dr. Bakul, in one of the Smart Clinic programs, I think. And today he's going to release a book in Tamil, Muttana Mudalidgal. And so that will happen. So I appreciate all the teamwork of my office bearers, EB members, central EB members, and their excellent contribution. And I request I give all my speakers who have been consented to come for this Puduvai Telepedicon, despite their busy schedule, despite their COVID duties, despite all the odds, they have come over here, and I appreciate their sincerity and dedication. And so with this few words, thank you one and all for the opportunity.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your kind words. And I now invite Dr. Ismail, President-elect 2021, to deliver felicitation.
Unmute yourself. Unmute.
Good afternoon, everybody. Happy Independence Day wishes at first. National President Dr. Bakul Parikh, Secretary General Dr. Bashavaraj, Vice President Dr. Ananda Kesavan, my friend and the State President Dr. Aram Sendil, Dr. Suresh Balan, Secretary Rajendran, Treasurer, Central EB and State EB members, and the dynamic Thirumurugan team, the organizing team of Puduvai Pedicon. Good afternoon, everybody. Among the COVID pandemic situation, change is inevitable. We are following the changes and gracefully accepting the changes what is happening. And this particular team bent upon to host the Puduvai Pedicon in the as a Telepedicon is really appreciable. And the work phenomenally done by the team is to be appreciated. And I wish them all success, and I wish the conference to go ahead with the grand manner. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I invite Dr. Somasegar, President, Tamil Nadu IAP 2019, to deliver felicitation. Dr. Somasegar, sir. Sir, unmute, sir, unmute.
Good afternoon to all of you. Today is an auspicious day. All of us have been celebrating across the country. And in this context, on behalf of Puduvai Pedicon, let us welcome our dynamic, the man of action, and who taught us the work makes life sweet, and how to fight anger. I mean, how to fight tiredness. Our Honorable President Dr. Bakul Parikh, and ever vibrant and the man of wisdom, Dr. Honorable Secretary General Dr. Basavaraj, and the President, my dear Sendil, and the President-elect Dr. Ismail, and my Secretary Dr. Suresh Balan, and the treasurer, Dr. Rajendran, and the South Zone Vice President, who is kind enough to bring us all the programs to our platform, Dr. Ananda Kesavan sir, and our immediate past president, Dr. Thirumalai Kolandu sir, and our mentor, Dr. Srinivasan sir, and the live wire for this today's program, Dr. Thirumurugan and Palniraman, and so on. And once again, let me welcome all of you who have joined and signed today for the scientific agenda, which is going to be held in a tele way, that when we are all in sober amidst this pandemic, the man who really taught us this kind of a DAP platform with this prelude, that is, the curiosity is the prelude to action. Our dynamic president is always have a curiosity. He brought us this platform, and we all joined together to have this wonderful occasion for the next 2 days. We are going to assemble here and going to have to update our scientific knowledge on this platform. And I once again wish this go a long way, and thanks one and all for joining and signing with us for this listen to this Telepedicon, Puduvai Pedicon. And I once again thank the speakers and the moderators who have signed for this to host this and take part in this wonderful Puduvai Pedicon in a grand way. I wish all the office bearers of IAP TNSE who had been really toiling for the last 8 months to for this to occur virtually, and I wish this occasion a grand success. Thank you very much for this opportunity. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your appreciation. Next, I invited Dr. G.B. Basavaraja, Secretary General, Central IAP, to deliver the keynote address. So I welcome you, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon to all. Respected Honorable Visionary President Dr. Bakul Jayant Parikh sir, our South Zone Vice President Dr. Anand Kesavan, our Tamil Nadu. First of all, let me congratulate the IAP Tamil Nadu branch in association with the Villupuram Puducherry, along with the Kadlur branch, organizing this wonderful conference under the leadership of Dr. Chentil sir, ever dynamic President, Secretary Dr. Suresh Balan, Treasurer Dr. Rajendran, with the two ever supporting immediate past presidents of Tamil Nadu, Dr. Somshekhar sir and Dr. Thirumalai Kolandu sir. Of course, incoming president Dr. Muhammad Ismail, as a team of IAP Tamil Nadu, in association with the team of Villupuram Puducherry branch, Dr. Bhaskaran, Arun Kumaran, Rajiv Vinayagan, and Kadlur branch team led by Danvelu, Chidambaranathan, and Praveen Kumar. With the architect of this program, Dr. Palniraman, along with Thirumurugan, with choosing an excellent faculties like Professor Srinivasan, Dr. Ashwath, Dr. P. Ramchandran, and Thirumalai Kolandu, and many more. Just I went through the scientific program of this Puduvai Telepedicon. It is a very, very relevant in day-to-day practice. Already more than 170 people have signed in. All are going to be get benefited out of this deliberation today and tomorrow. Even in the crisis of COVID, Tamil Nadu and Villupuram Puducherry, as well as Kadlur, they are conducting the program for so many years. It is one of the best academic program we could be able to see over years. When the Dr. Palniraman, even last year also when I was talking to him, so he was explaining all the things, who are the faculties who came last year also. Really, it is one of the best academic things. So wish you all the best. I'm sure this conference is going to be very successful. Coming to the assistant from the Central IAP, our Honorable Visionary President, always with the Tamil Nadu. Anything you require, please give us a mail. Our Honorable Visionary President, within no time, he will approve. Tamil Nadu branch is very close to his heart. So do not hesitate. Anything which is required from the central IAP. It's all because of our visionary president, Dr. Bakul Jain Parekh sir. With these few words, I'll not take much time. Wish you all the best. Of course, we all request, this is the occasion I request you to take part in Dakshan Pedikan, which is led by our dynamic South Zone Vice President, Dr. Anand Keshavan and Tangavelu sir, and with including our all EB member. And on the same occasion, I request Dr. Anand Keshavan to include all the presidents of Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu in the active decision-making process of an Dakshan Pedikan. Wish you all the best for this conference too.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words and your very supportive to Tamil Nadu progress. Thank you, sir. Now I request and invite the guest of honor, Dr. T.M. Ananda Kesavan, to deliver felicitation and release a book of Dr. S. Thirmalai Kolundu, Muthana Mudalidigal. Welcome, sir.
So, good afternoon. Wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Respected Chairperson, State President Dr. Sendil, our Chief Guest, CIP Dynamic Leader, our Bakul Parekh sir, my friend and HST Dr. Basavaraj, State Secretary Suresh Balan, Treasurer Dr. Rajendra, President-elect Dr. Ismail, and teachers of teacher Dr. Srinivasan sir, Dr. Ramendra sir, other dignitaries on this platform. And so outset, I would like to congratulate IAP Tamil Nadu branch, especially Chennai and Kottalodu branch, for the wonderful academic activities they are arranging today. As already mentioned, we are conducting our South Pedicon for 1 week starting from September 6th onwards. Every day it is from 4 to 8:30 p.m. I include maximum number of speakers from Tamil Nadu only. And I would like to get a video presentation by each branch, Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Karnataka branch, about your activities, a video presentation for 15 minutes, 15 minutes video presentation by each 3 branches. So I request our President Secretary to prepare a video presentation showing your activities so that our national leaders can directly see it. And also, as a request, I already said to withhold all IAP academic program for 1 week from September 6th onwards. So I humbly request you to withhold all IAP program. Now regarding our webinar, I think it is a much attractive program all over India by initially started by our Bakul sir. I think as a pediatrician, we are baby friendly, mother friendly and like that, but webinar is very eco friendly, it is environment friendly, it is speaker friendly, and it is also very delegate friendly also, because we are enjoying it every day during this troublesome COVID season. I think we are really enjoying this one. And also, I would like to congratulate once again for the wonderful academic program arranged by the IAP Tamil Nadu branch, and I wish the program all success. And also, book name, I don't know. What is the book name? English, I don't know.
Muthana Mudalidigal.
Very, very happy to release this book also. Thank you, Rajendra. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your guest of honor and delivering notes. And now I request our National President CIP, Dr. Bakul Jain Parekh, to deliver Chief Guest Address and the inauguration of the Telepedican. I welcome you, sir.
Sir, unmute. Bakul sir, unmute.
So thank you very much for giving me this honor and inviting me on this particular platform. Dr. Anand Keshavan, our Vice President from South Zone, Dr. Senthil, Tamil Nadu President, Dr. Somsekhar, immediate past President, Dr. Thirumalai, past President of Tamil Nadu State Branch, Rajendran, my dear friend and treasurer, Dr. Palni Raman, I could see him. He is again a very good friend of mine. My secretary, who is always with me, the dynamic Dr. Basavaraj, and mentor of all, Dr. Srinivas, and so many other dignitaries on this particular platform. I wish you all the best. And let me tell you, first and foremost, I like to wish you all a very happy and safe Independence Day on the 74th Independence year. A very warm welcome to all of you to this fantastic virtual Puduvelai teleconference or telepedicon. As you all know, that this is an year of many firsts. So first was that I was elected unopposed for the first time in so many years. Second, the COVID-19 pandemic, which is not seen in last century by anyone. So we are maybe in future through our grandchildren will be telling about before Corona and after Corona maybe. Then the desperate times always ask for desperate measures. And that's where my vision of DIP has helped me. And at IAP, we have done almost all possible things which we are supposed to do as a IAPian. And as a president, I have followed all the possible missions of Indian Academy of Pediatrics, that is addressing our members, educating them, addressing the parents and their solve problems, doing child advocacy, doing social work, doing charitable work. I think everything has been touched upon because of the help from DIP and DIP's team, who has strongly stood by my side and probably by IAP's side. By now, we have almost completed 500 webinars, 10,000 around 10,000 hours of education, and we have also touched upon all the subspecialty chapters of IAP. All of them are very active, and we had around 10 lakhs of viewers for these webinars. And today, again, this particular teleconference is an example of digital way of communicating with your academicians or your members and your delegates. So I'm sure the science which has been crafted by the scientific committee led by Dr. Palni Raman and so many others is excellent. I have seen the program and they're all very relevant topics in our day-to-day practice. And I'm going to say that it is going to help you everyone in your day-to-day practice. I was also happy to see when this book was launched today, and even the few days back of Dr. Tirumala Kolondu about finances. And I was happy to see those notes of rupees 2,000, 500, 200, which I hardly seen these days because of fall in our practice and fall in our other things. But it is very happy sort of sight to see these notes on the book. And I'm sure this book, reading this book will help all our members to construct their finances in a very wise manner in their life. With these few words, I like to again congratulate and thank all of you and all the best. And let's enjoy the academics over the next 2 days. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your kind words and supportive words also. We are now at the end of this inaugural function. To give you a perfect end of this event, I now request Dr. Tirumurugan, Joint Secretary, IAP TNSC, to deliver the words of gratitude.
Good afternoon, sir. Thank you, sir, and good afternoon. It gives me great pleasure to offer the vote of thanks to the stalwarts of pediatrics, my peers and younger colleagues. Let me start with thanking our CIAP President, Dr. Bakulpari Jain, who has become the beacon of telemedicine and teleeducation in pediatrics in our country. He, along with Dr. Basavaraj, Secretary General, have changed the concept of learning and have been instrumental in bringing wonderful learning experience to our doorstep. Thank you, sir. I thank Dr. Ananda Kesavan, Vice President South Zone, for his valuable presence in launching the book by Dr. Tirumala Kolondu and also offering the constant encouragement for the success of this program. For any organization to thrive, it needs a great leader. Dr. Chendil, along with Dr. Suresh Balan and Dr. Rajendran, the three musketeers, have fulfilled that role aplomb. Dr. Chendil has been a constant source of encouragement and has put in tremendous effort to organize this program, Puduvelai Telepedicon 2020 reality. I thank you, sir, on behalf of all the pediatricians of Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry. It's my duty to thank my dear friend, Dr. Palni Raman, who has played a prime role in organizing the speakers of this teleconference. My sincere thanks to Dr. Pa Rajendran, Dr. N.L. Dandabani, Dr. Chidambaram, the organizing team members of our Puduvelai Pedicon, who have been helping me to organize this conference. I would have failed in my duty
if I do not convey my thanks to the moderators and all the eminent speakers of this wonderful teleconference, who are indeed the key players of this event. My special thanks to Dr. Asogan and Dr. Arulkumuran for making sure that this event gets TNMC accreditation, and we have been awarded 4 points for this conference. So thanks once again to both of you, sir. I would like to place on record my sincere gratitude to CIAP, EB and IAP TNS EB members who have supported this venture when we have discussed it in the EB board meetings. I would also like to thank the President, Secretary and Treasurer of IAP Kadalur, Viluppuram and Puducherry branch. We owe the success of this event to the delegates. More than 600 of them have already registered. Special thanks to all of them. Last but not the least, my thanks goes to the sponsors of the event, Abbott Vaccines, Pfizer Vaccines, HH Pharmaceuticals and Apex Pharmaceuticals